Welcome to Kotlin. In this series, I'll be guiding you step by step to build a fully functional version of Minesweeper that can run on Android, iOS and desktop platforms. By the end, you'll have a versatile Compose Multiplatform app that's structured for real-world cross-platform development. Throughout this series, we'll be using a range of technologies. With this being written with Compose Multiplatform, the UI is created with Jetpack Compose. We're using a model view intent, or MVI, pattern to manage app state, keeping the logic predictable and easy to debug or test. The app will be multi-modular and split by feature and layer. We'll be using Koin for handling dependency injection, Room will be used for data persistence, and DataStore will be used for saving settings and preferences. By structuring the project using clean architecture principles, we'll ensure that each layer is modular and easily testable, and of course we'll be writing unit and UI tests to verify each part of the game works as expected. To give you an overview of the project structure, let's look at the dependency graph. Here you can see the different modules and how they interact. Each module is part of a clean architecture setup, keeping business logic, UI and platform-specific code organised and reusable. This structure may not be too important for a small project like this, but is crucial when building large-scale cross-platform apps, so we'll dive deep into how it all fits together in the series. Here's an idea of what's coming up in the series. We'll start by setting up the project and adding our initial dependencies. Next, I'll show you how to design a clean multi-module architecture for Compose Multiplatform, including how to set up Koin for dependency injection. We'll add global padding and dimension definitions with Jetpack Compose so we keep UI consistent across the app. We'll then set up data storage with DataStore and dive into building the Minesweeper game UI with Compose, complete with animations and layouts. After that, we'll add game logic to handle the cell reveals, mine placements and win conditions. I'll show you how to add XML drawables as resources, handle platform-specific actions such as right-clicking, and we'll even automate releases using GitHub Actions to distribute Android, iOS, Windows and macOS builds. This introduction is just the beginning. By the end of this series, you'll not only have a playable Minesweeper app across platforms, but you'll also be equipped with the knowledge to create your own Compose Multiplatform structure for future projects. I'll be aiming to release episodes of this series weekly, so be sure to subscribe to make sure you don't miss one.